Hello, it's Stephen Eschebegen, and what we're going to do next is generate a column of data which is the first order kinetic predicted values for the concentration of ozone as it decays. And so if you want to follow along with this, I'd open up Excel and enter in this field here and this field here. And as you can see, I've also got this graphics window up here, and I've annotated the vertical axis with ozone concentration. And so here we go. What I need to do is enter in a formula here now in that box. And what is the formula? Where here's the formula. First order decay says the concentration of something over time is its initial value times e to the minus k subscript 1 times the time. So that's what we're going to be doing. So whenever you enter a formula in Excel, that has to start with an equal sign. Now the initial value, I know what it is. It's just right there. The starting value, 1 times 10 to the minus 4th. So I'll say 1 e minus 4. Okay. Now I need to multiply it by that exponential function. And to multiply in Excel, you put a star. So that's that. And the exponential function, e to the something, is given as exp. And I'm going to open the parentheses there. Now let's see, what do I need? I needed minus kt. All right, so I'm going to say minus. Now instead of k, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press a box here, C14, and in fact what I'm going to do is put dollars around it because I'm going to want to make this an absolute address. So it's $C, $14. So that's K, and now I want to multiply that by the time, and there's the time column right there. Okay, and so I'm going to hit return, and there we go. Now, this makes it easy for me to fill down. Filling down means I go to the lower right here, and I grab this, and I'm just going to go all the way down here, and you'll see how that works. So the first value was, if you want to look up here, 0001 times e to the minus C14, which doesn't even have a value in it, so Excel thinks that's 0, times A5, that's the time, and then we go here, and now as you can see, the time is advanced to A6, that's that box right there, and A7 or so forth. But it's kept C14 fixed at this box right here because I put dollar signs around it. Okay, so now all I need to do is to try to put in different values for that K1. So I'm going to try 0.001. And as you can see, it's updated all those values and so on. Now, you could look at these and compare them straight across and try to get a good match. In fact, the match doesn't look too bad. But a good way to do that is graphically. So that's another thing I'll want you to do is add the graph to here. We want to add the theoretical values to the graph. And the way you do that is you click over in this area so that this is highlighted, and you'll see that chart shows up at the top. And there's this thing called source data, which I've clicked on. And what we're going to do is add, and what is this new name? This is going to be first order. Okay, and now for the x values, I'm going to just click on this box, and for the x values, I want the time. Okay, so, and I've just hit return there to get that done. And now for the y values, I'm going to click on this box too, but the y values, I now want this set of values, the theoretical values. Hit return, and I think that looks okay. Now, as you can see, these values have shown up in red, and what I want to do, what's conventional to do, is to turn that into a line. So I'm going to click over here on line. What I did was I double-clicked on those boxes, and you see the default is no line. I want a line, so I'm going to make a black line. Also, I don't even want to have those squares, so I'm going to say marker style, no marker, and this way I can more easily see the difference. Okay, so now I can see that my theoretical value is almost that, and you'll want to just play around with this until you get a good match.